We are going to start the exercise of chapter number 6, fluid mechanics. We will start with the assignments. Assignment 6.1 is an object which is made up of iron, has density 7.8 gram per centimeter cube, appears 200 Newton lighter in water than in air. We have to calculate the volume of the object and the weight of the object in air. So the given data is density of object, which is represented by rho, is equals to 7.8 gram per centimeter cube. It's given in gram per centimeter cube. We have to convert it into kilogram per meter cube, which is the SI unit. For that, we will divide by 1000 to convert gram into kilograms, and in place of centi we will write 10 raised power minus 2, and as you know here is centimeter cube, so we will take the power 3 in order to convert all the 3 centimeters into meter. So calculating the result, we will have 7800 kilogram per meter cube. The upthrust on the object is 200 Newton, and we have to find the volume of the object V and the weight of the object in air, that will be represented by W. The formula that we will use will be upthrust is equals to rho gV, and the weight of the object in air is equals to W is equals to mg. Firstly, part A, in which we will use the formula upthrust is equals to rho gV. Rearranging the formula, we will have upthrust divided by rho g is equals to V. The important thing is the density here is the density of the fluid, and as the fluid is water, so density will be 1000 kilogram per meter cube. Putting the values, we will have the result 0.0204 meter cube is equals to the volume. Value of G is known to you, that is 9.8. In part B, we have to find the weight of the object in air, which is represented by W and is equals to mg. We are not given the mass of the object, but we know that density is equals to mass per unit volume. Rearranging this equation, we will have mass is equals to rho g. We will substitute the value of this mass in the given formula, and we will find the result. Here the density will be the density of object. In part A, you can see the formula of upthrust, in which we were using the density of fluid, because in upthrust the rho indicates the density of fluid, but here we are taking the weight of the object, so density will be that of the object instead of fluid. So density of object will be 7800 kilogram per meter cube as in the given data. Weight of object in air will be rho gV. We have substituted the value of mass rho v here in this equation, so we have the formula rho vg. Rho is the density of object, v is the volume of object, which we have determined in part A, and g is the value that you must be remembered. So it is 9.8. Calculating the result, we will have 1559.376 Newton of weight of object in air. Similar to that of assignment 6.1 is the numerical number 11 in your exercise, the statement of which is an empty meteorological balloon has weight of 80 Newton. How much maximum content the balloon can lift beside its own weight if it is lifted with 10 meter cube of hydrogen? Density of hydrogen is equal to 0.09 kilogram per meter cube, and density of air is equal to 1.3 kilogram per meter cube. So the given data is weight of the balloon, which is represented by W, is equals to 80 Newton. Volume of hydrogen is 10 meter cube. Density of hydrogen is equals to 0.09 kilogram per meter cube, and density of air is 1.3 kilogram per meter cube. We have to find maximum content the balloon can lift. It will be represented by net upward force which is acting on the object. The formula that will use for this purpose is net force is equal to upthrust minus weight of balloon minus weight of hydrogen. You can again see here we have a meteorological balloon on which the upthrust force is acting in the upward direction. Weight of balloon is in the downward direction. Meanwhile, there is hydrogen gas filled in the balloon, so its weight is also acting in the downward direction. And there is a object which it has to lift, and basically the net force will be equal to the weight that it can lift in the upward direction. So our task is to determine the value of upthrust and substitute the values here in this formula along with the weight of hydrogen and weight of balloon. So in the solution, firstly we will determine the value of upthrust by the formula rho GV. As I have already mentioned in the assignment that we will use here the density of fluid. So the fluid is air, so density of air will be included here, which is 1.3. Value of G is 9.8 and volume is given to you in the formula, that is 10. So upthrust will be equals to 127.4 Newton. Weight of balloon was given in the data, it is 80 Newton. We have to find the value of weight of hydrogen. Weight of hydrogen is mgh, and as we know, mass of hydrogen is not given, but we know that density is equals to mass per unit volume. From here we can use the formula weight of hydrogen is equals to rho v into g. Rho v is placed instead of mass. So here rho is the density of hydrogen, which is 0.09 multiplied by volume of hydrogen is given in the question, that is 10, and value of G is 9.8. Calculating the value, we will have the weight of hydrogen is equals to 8.82 newtons. Now we will substitute all these values in the formula that we have already discussed. In the formula we will write upthrust is equals to 127.4 minus weight of balloon, which is 80, and weight of hydrogen, that is 8.82. Solving it, we will get the result 38.58 Newton. This is the total weight that object can lift.